Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a Patriotic Journal Kit to show you. And so you may have already seen the add-on kit. This is the big kit. So first of all, you get a quilting kit along with a charm. Everyone is different. It's to make a quilt block. You get the instructions and fabric, okay? And like I said, everybody's is different. And so you can either make the quilt block or use this fabric for your journal. You also get what's called a fat eighth of another fabric. These are all different as well. And you get one of these single flag napkins. And let's see, let's go in your trim and okay, you get two full-size washies. They're all different, but you get a blue one and a red one. Okay, a red hair tie that you can use to close your journal or something. There's some red bling, some red, white, and blue ribbons, red sequins on a string, some garland, red beads, or actually you'll get beads and you'll get USA. They could either be red or blue. Okay, they're all different. And so that is that little bag of goodies. Then you get this set of 4th of July stickers. So you get these borders, and you get Dad and Mom and the kids and 4th of July and firecrackers and other things. So that you get all that. And then in the beautiful daisy bag, you get a Pottery Barn. They're all different, but you get a Pottery Barn sampler, and you can follow in the fishing stuff I played with those and made embellishments. You get some confetti, so 2 flags and 3 stars. 2 flags, 3 stars. You get some postage stamps. Looks like 5 different postage stamps. You'll get a sticker, everybody, or this isn't the sticker, this is the back, the little page of the calendar, and everybody gets a different one. And then you get some of these stickers, and they're all different, and 2 little toothpick flags. Okay, so that is, and those are in one of those envelopes. This is a clear envelope on sticky that you can go ahead and add to your project. Okay, so there's those. So it's a good amount. What you got? 5 and 5. You've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 little tiny pieces that you can use, plus the back of the calendar. Then you have this bag of goodies. So you can use the bag, and you have an eagle card, a couple of red think-alike cards, some red address label stickers. You get these that you could use as for pockets or tags. So they're cut. Wounded Warrior flag notebook paper or notepad paper. Blue Admiral. And then some blue paint chip. So those are all paint chips. And then a multiplication card. Some page flags. A guest check. There's a guest check under your page flags here. They're post-it notes. You get a tag, a things to do, and a receipt. So all of that in the bag. Okay. And next is your papers. So they come in a document folder. So you get this blue document folder. And then you'll get a napkin, and it has images on all 6 sides. You get a piece of noisy paper that's red and white striped. This cute little red, white, and blue note paper with the birds. An envelope. It's a vintage envelope. A do it now, do it later. That's red. A red time card on one side, black on the other. A square piece of origami paper. Some deli paper, so a full sheet of deli paper. You can go ahead and coffee dye all of this as well. Things to do pad, red. Shine like stars. And then you get stars. And some red and blue with the stars note paper. And then you get some folded paper. So this is a certificate paper, folded and ready. This is bandana, red bandana paper. Everyone gets a different calendar page, from a veteran's paper or calendar. And so they have freedom words down on the bottom, and all of them have a flag, and there's like a tractor and, you know, the front of a house, all different. Here's some Home Sweet Home with the flag in the background, folded. Okay, so that's another folded. And this one is folded and ready to have a pocket. Same Home Sweet Home paper. We have a cardstock. And this giant thing of tissue. So that is our patriotic little full-size kit. And actually it's kind of more like it's a mini kit, because I didn't put all the other paper and note papers and stuff. This will just make a nice album journal. You probably can make it pretty fast. Hopefully, maybe I'll get to make one tomorrow. I'm going to pick up grandkids here in just a little bit. So, we'll see. They are being delivered to Ojai. And by some now very good friends. And there we go. So that is our large patriotic kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying your week, getting ready for 4th of July. I'm really excited. Got a lot going on. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye.